In today's tutorial I will show you how to connect the cables to SOnOff Wi-Fi smart switch, and how to connect this device to a smartphone application fast and easy. On the device we have input and output area. We have to connect my case, the projector, into the output and the plug cable to the input area, as you can see. In my case, the projector has 3 power wires. One of them, the bicolor or one, is the ground wire, and we don't have to connect this. From safety reason, I'm putting him on a side to prevent any electrical accident. Now that everything is connected, we have to do a test to be sure that everything runs before we do the synchronization with the smartphone application. Just push short the button from the SOnOff device to check if it works. The smartphone application, it is called eWeLink. In case that you don't have it, this can be easily found it and installed from Google Play. After the app is open, click on the plus from the downside of the display in order to add a new device. Then go and click to quick pairing. Please check to be sure that you are connecting to the correct Wi-Fi router and the password is correct. Then push next button in order to start to search for a new device. And push long, 4 to 5 seconds, the button from the device until the light starts to blink. Now we just have to wait until the pairing is done. First step is to name the device. Now let's see if it works. In the app you can add more devices, and for each one of them you can configure as you want. You can start every day at a certain hour or to stop every day to a certain hour. To be sure that nobody is forgetting, you can set a timer from the start to automatically stop or to create loops on, off, on, off.